What is up? Lock picking newbie here, and today I have a giant Brinks. This is a Brinks 662-52091 commercial padlock. This puppy is freaking heavy. I think it's probably one of the heaviest locks I've picked up so far. It says commercial grade, so let's see if we can pick it. Let's take a look at the key bitting. Not too shabby. That looks like some pretty decent bitting. Let's see what kind of action we have on the shackle. Nice spring. Springs right open. Looks like both ends of the shackle have notches. I do see ball bearings in it. Alright, well, let's get the picking. I think I'm just going to go right for the Goso Banggood $24 pick set. I just really like the hook when it comes to single pin picking. So we'll go with some top of the Q8 tension, using the Southpaw tension bar from Covert Instruments, and let's just dive right in. I'm going to see if I can get all the way back to that back pin. Kind of springy. Oh, nope, I got a little rotation. Let's come up a little bit to 3. Click. 2. Nothing going on 2. Pin 1. There we go. Wow. Okay, there you have it. Made pretty quick pickings of that lock. Being commercial grade and everything. She opened right up. There you have it. I guess that's all I've got for this video. The Brinks commercial 662 padlock has been picked by a newbie using the $24 Chinese Banggood hook. Wow. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time. Lock picking newbie out.